My name is Ryan Chobak. I'm the head of the CNC department and CNC programming here at Czarnowski. As a company, we are an exhibit and events marketing team. We plan, fabricate, engineer clients' vision. A lot of our builds will end up on the trade show floor at your auto show, CES, those type of exhibits. Our DMS CNC routers help us make custom walls, custom cabinets, risers, and meeting rooms for the exhibits that we build. But we've also done more unique builds like a full-scale Black Hawk helicopter, 6-foot golf ball, model semi-truck, and model cars. It was kind of by chance that when we discovered DMS, our operations manager at the time had ran across a video of one of your 5-axis machines cutting a GM vehicle. Since GM is one of our clients, that kind of caught our eye. So we started investigating into DMS and what they were all about, and they were located in Colorado Springs. We felt the stars aligned, and we felt that that was the company we wanted to pursue our future with. They help us solve problems pretty much on a daily basis, because a lot of these builds that we're doing these days are very complex, very unique, use a lot of large curves and things that would be nearly impossible to cut by hand in a shop. Working with DMS, you get a true feeling of the personal experience that they try to bring. Whenever we have tight deadlines or a problem, they're right there helping us find a solution to that problem and working through it with us. We solve problems every day involved with cutting something, creating something that would not be possible without these machines.